registry will be established under the bill and will act as a central database with the details of all ART clinics and banks in the country. State governments will appoint registration authorities for facilitating the registration process also. Chairperson, sir, and the rights of a child born through ART, a child born through ART will be deemed to be a biological child of the commissioning couple and will be entitled to the rights and privileges available to a natural child of the commissioning couple. A donor will not have any parental rights over the child. So these are the few regularization points. And regarding the establishment of boards. So the national and state boards, they will provide, the bill provides that the national and state boards for surrogacy constituted under the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2019 will act as a national and state board respectively for the regulation of the ART services also. Key services by the private sector providers. So before I conclude, the bill is a welcome legislation and the impact would be that it would bring about the registration of all the clinics, it would control unethical ART practices, it would improve the quality of ART services, it would facilitate framing of requisite policies as we would be having all the data, and most importantly, the needy couples would be more sure of the ethical practice of ART. At present, there are only 6 IVF clinics in government sector. They are AIMS, Lady Harding, PGI Chandigarh, KGMU Lucknow, Army Hospital Delhi and Pune, while the remaining thousands of IVF centers are in the private sector. So the government should ensure that each medical college or premier government hospital or institute must have IVF for ART facilities so as to enable the common poor masses to avail the services of ART. So before I conclude, Honorable Chairperson Sir, from our state of Andhra Pradesh, I would like to highlight that post bifurcation of the states, because the Honorable Health Minister is also here, absence of Tier 1 cities in Andhra Pradesh has resulted in no scope for private healthcare sector to offer super specialty healthcare services in the state. And this is only possible through setting up of public sector institutions. Hence, I would like to request the government through you to approve the proposals for 13 new medical colleges requesting for sanction that have been submitted already by our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to respond on this bill. Thank you very much.
Subscribe to Social TV Telugu for more videos. Hit the bell icon for faster updates.